Peace Divines. Welcome to my channel, and I miss my divine so much, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I wanted to make a juice that is a very beautiful combination, and I think I made this juice before on another platform, but it's my vanilla grapefruit juice, and it is surprisingly a very delicious combination, mixing the vanilla extract with the grapefruit. And I am also using some cucumbers and some kale and cilantro, grapefruit and lime. So let's juice this up. Okay, so first I am going to take some of my soft ingredients, which is the cilantro and the kale, and then I'm going to take some of the grapefruit. The grapefruit smells so good, oh my goodness. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the piece of lime in here, and I will put the recipe in the description, of course. And so I think this is going to make about a good 16 to 20 ounces if I had to eyeball it, but we will see together. And then I'm going to take some cucumber, and we are going to juice this up. Okay, so now I'm going to put some, it smells so good, oh my god, you know, after a certain amount of time of juicing, you know, this stuff is just literally going to start, you know, smelling like candy. I'm telling you, it's insane. And it smells like, just like the watermelon candy. I'm going to put some more in. I'm going to take some of the lovely cilantro and kale. I love cilantro so much. It's ridiculous. And I'm going to take some of the grapefruit. And I am going to take some of the cucumber. And we are going to juice that up. Okay. And so we are going to add some more kale and cilantro and grapefruit and cucumber. And we only have one more batch after that. And it's time to juice that up. And this is our last batch of kale and cilantro and grapefruit and cucumber. And we put the lime in at the beginning, of course, and then I'm going to take the vanilla extract and put it in at the end. Alright, so it looks like we have about a good maybe 30 ounces here. So we were pretty close. What did I say? I said it would be about, what, 16 to 20? I don't even remember. Okay, let's see how much this is. This came to, yep, 30 ounces. And I am going to add, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to add the vanilla extract. And I'm using some organic vanilla extract. And I'm going to take about a tablespoon, well, 2 tablespoons in this case, because I'm doubling the serving. And I don't even know. Yeah, I think that's how much I have. Okay, so here I have the cilantro and the kale and the lime and the grapefruit and the cucumber and vanilla extract juice. And it took me about 10 to 15 minutes altogether. That doesn't include preparation. Preparation doesn't take long. You know, you're going to clean your fruits and veggies, of course, you know, and soak them and clean them. And, you know, so I guess you say 20 to 25 minutes altogether. This can be from 1 serving to 2 servings, depending on how much you drink per day, of course. And so now we are going to try it. All right. And let's see how this, you know, you smell the cilantro, and I don't know why I smell carrot. I don't know what that's about. And I smell the grapefruit and the vanilla extract, and I had this before, so I already know how it tastes, but we're going to try it together still, because this is my Montauk Avenue family, of course. Okay. And, you know, this is a drink that is definitely, you know, it's an acquired taste. You know, you want to be at a point where you are comfortable drinking green juices, and the vanilla extract definitely gives it a nice, you know, refreshing taste to it, and the grapefruit is very dominant, you know, but I love green juice, you know. And so again, you know, I am so grateful for you to watch my videos. Be sure to check out my other juicing videos. I love making these videos. This is what I love doing. You know, support the channel, Montauk Avenue. Join the family, subscribe, and as always, be blessed, be true to yourself, be well. Peace, Divines.